Today's recipe, I'm going to take 200 grams of cut paneer. For that, I'm going to roast 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan. Ensure the texture of the paneer is maintained. Do this for a period of 1 minute and on low flame. After 1 minute, while the color slightly changes, I'm now going to switch off the flame and now move on to the paneer. The paneer, I'm going to take salt as per taste, preferably 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to toss this well and mix it to ensure that the paneer doesn't break. As you can see, the paneer has mixed well with the spices. I'm now going to move on to frying the paneer. To fry the paneer, I'm going to heat the pan first and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is hot enough, I'm going to add the paneer to it. Adding all the pieces of paneer to it, I'm slowly going to toss it and I'm going to make sure I just fry it for a period of 3 minutes and also making sure that it does not become really hard. Keep tossing the pieces from time to time. 3 minutes while the spices are mixed really well with the paneer, I'm going to switch off the flame and keep it aside. Once the pan is hot enough, I'm going to once again add half tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of oil. Hot enough, I'm going to add 2 dry red chillies, 2 small cinnamon sticks, spoon of jeera, 3 cloves and 1 bay leaf. We're going to add 10 cashew nuts. These spices settle in for a good 1 minute on low flame. 1 minute, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. While the onion fries for a good period of 4 minutes, I'm also going to add 3 green chillies to the mixture. Period of 4 minutes, I'm now going to add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. As the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, I'm now going to add the spices. That's half teaspoon of red chilli powder, teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now we're going to mix this really well. After mixing for a good 15 seconds, I'm also going to add the besan to it, which we had roasted earlier. After mixing this for 1 minute, I'm now going to add the 2 small tomatoes to the mixture. Adding tomatoes, I'm also going to add the salt as per taste and mix it. Adding the salt, I'm now going to cover it with a lid for a period of 4 minutes while the tomato cooks. After removing the lid, I'm going to add some water. It depends on your consistency as to how much water you would require. Here I'm adding 1/4 glass of water. Mix this really well. Do note this is serving for 1 person. If you like it to be for a family, that's for 3 to 4 persons. You could increase the onions. That's from 1 onion to 3 onions, and also the tomatoes from say 2 tomatoes to 4 tomatoes. And make sure the water gels in well with the spice and the masalas. So for that, you could nicely cook it for say a period of 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, I'm now going to add some half teaspoon of some crushed kasuri methi to the mixture. Mix it really well. I'm also going to add some fresh cream to the mix. Now I'm going to mix this really well with the curry. Mixing it, I'm going to add the paneer to the mixture. As you can see, you can add the paneer once the water comes to a nice boil. Now I'm going to mix this really well, and after mixing it well, I'm going to cover it with a lid for a period of good 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I'm going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. 3 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid and now I'm going to add the coriander leaves to it, and I'm going to mix it really well. Mix the coriander leaves. The paneer is now ready to be served. So if you did like my content, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.